Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, we knew it would come and it has not taken that long to come. So the cabal, the Fulani hegemony, has responded to the Yoruba security outfit Amotekun, which was just recently set up to secure Yoruba land. So the Fulani hegemony has responded, and they have responded, of course, by way of Abubakar Malami, the purported Attorney General of the Federation. I say purported, of course, because this guy seems to serve a particular pecuniary sectional interest rather than an overarching national interest. So purportedly is explained by that. So they've responded, of course, with Malami, and this is what they have to say. Federal government declares Operation Amotekun illegal. So that's the headline. Federal government declares Operation Amotekun illegal. So now let's now see how they have justified this position. The federal government has declared the Southwest security outfit Operation Amotekun as illegal. The government's position was contained in a statement by the Attorney General of the Federation AGF and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami CANC, released on his behalf by his media aide Jubril Gwandu. The minister said as the chief law officer of the country, he was not consulted before the idea of the operation was deliberated upon. Operation Amotekun was recently launched by Southwest governors to curb the insecurity in the region. This is a matter that is within the exclusive operational competence of the federal government of Nigeria. No other authority at the state level, whether the executive or legislative, has the legal authority over defense. The setting up of the paramilitary organization called Amotekun is illegal and runs contrary to the provisions of the Nigerian law. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, as amended, has established the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force, including the police and other numerous paramilitary organizations, for the purpose of the defense of Nigeria, the minister said. Now, this is the crucial bit of this article. Recall that the Northern Youth Council of Nigeria, NYCN, had kicked against the formation of the security outfit in the Southwest. The national president of NYCN, Isaiah Abubakar, in a statement issued in Kaduna, urged President Muhammadu Buhari not to allow what he described as unconstitutionality to prevail. Interestingly, Plateau State Governor Simon Lalong recently disclosed that a similar security outfit to Amotekun for the North will soon be unveiled. Lalong said this whilst speaking to Aso Rock correspondents after meeting with President Muhammadu Buhari on Friday, January the 10th. So now this is now the state of play now with the goings on regarding Amotekun. So when I said that purported Attorney General of the Federation, you can of course now see the coloration of it. So these northern outfits are kicking against the southwestern regions, setting up security outfits to secure their own region after having relied on the Nigerian forces to secure them, and the Nigerian forces have failed singularly and wholly and numerously in every instance to protect the Southwest. So the Southwest have not taken it upon themselves to seek to protect themselves, but this apparently doesn't sit well with the Northerners, and of course now they've now sent Abubakar Malami to go and kibosh this move by the Southwestern region to secure itself. So you see, because this is not the first, this youth group from the North are not the first people. Every voice from the North is agitating against this, and they're describing it as unconstitutional, but of course nobody understands the Constitution more than the Southwest. The whole of the Southwest from wall to wall is filled with lawyers, and brilliant lawyers at that. When they're in trouble in the North, it is the Southwest that they will come to look for lawyers to come and bail them out. So I cannot see what understanding Malami would have of the constitution that is not understood in the Southwest. So if the Southwestern lawyers are saying that this is indeed in tandem with the Nigerian constitution, then it is in tandem with the Nigerian constitution, because they would have studied the statutes to know that this conforms with legality. So this thing has now been formed, and they are now trying to push against it, but of course they are going to declare it as illegal, and they have declared it now as illegal. So what now move is now going to be the next course of action is really the thing, because the Southwest must be secured. The Southwest, we have an obligation to secure our own lives. We have an obligation to be able to go to bed at night and not fear that we'll be marauded by foreigners who are invading our land. And this is exactly what is going on, because you cannot travel the highways of the Southwest anymore. When some jamjaweed will just suddenly waylay you in the middle of the road and either mow you down or take you for hostage. So we cannot have that. And since the Nigerian system cannot secure us, then we must then secure ourselves. We cannot just in abject surrender, which is effectively what they're asking of us now. But of course we knew they will come, and they have come swift and fast. Conversations in the comment section, the abokis are coming and they're asking you to put all your hands up. Come tell me what your thoughts are about this in the comment section, because this is now going towards the heart of everything now that is going on within the Nigerian space now, because you have the Attorney General of the Federation weighing in a particular direction, as he continuously does, and he routinely does, because he always weighs in that direction. And you have the Chief Justice of the country weighing in the same direction as well, and all of the armies and all of the DSS and everything is weighing in that direction as well. And we are now at that point now where they are now saying that we cannot even actively act to secure our own lives. It's the first fundamental human right that every human being has on this planet is the right to life. So even now that right to life now is now being described as unconstitutional effectively within the Nigerian space, because this is really what we're talking about. So come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section, because this is an outrage. I am outraged, but how do you read it? Maybe I have read it completely wrong. If I have read it completely wrong, then please come correct me in the comment section, where conversations usually take place on this channel. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me now what you are making about, one, how quickly this guy has moved to shut down this Amotekun thing, and secondly, why this guy has not moved to ask that they come to his office and agree on a legal footing. So rather than him ask them to come to his office to agree the legal footing for this much needed outfit, rather than him do that, he has then instead responded to the echoes and the cries from the north to declare it illegal, and he has moved almost immediately to declare it as an illegal thing. So this is now really where the concern is, because of course anybody that is acting for the greater interest would invite the organization, which has been set up by all of the state governors within the Southwest. So this is not just some random thing. This is something that has the backing of all of the state governors in the Southwest, and the Oni of Ife was there on the launch day. Everybody in Yoruba land is behind this thing. So now, if you are looking to have a greater understanding of the legalities of it, then ask for that rather than try to shut it down. Conversations in the comment section. Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come meet me in the comment section where we can progress this conversation. So I'll leave you here. Join you in the comment section. But here I say peace.